You can use this AI completely free and create unlimited photos and videos.
Guys, the name of this website is robo.com, and I'll definitely put the link for you in the description. When you search this link on the internet, you'll come across a page like this that doesn't have any special options like other sites, and it doesn't even have settings. Here, there's an option where you can find their mobile app by scanning this code. Before you write your prompt here, click on the login option, then select sign in with Google and log in with one of your Google accounts. After you've logged in, you can now write your prompt here. Although this site is free, it does have some issues. One of its problems is that you have to specify everything to it very precisely. For example, if you want a picture, you must clearly state that you want a picture. For instance, if you want 10 pictures, you have to specify that you want 10 pictures and mention the size like Instagram size or square size. You need to write all the details for it, but honestly, that's not really a drawback considering it's free, and it's actually pretty great. Another thing is that this isn't a website, it's an agent. When you write a prompt or a command for it, it then asks for your confirmation. It acts like a robot that's talking to you, and then it takes care of the rest of the process. I got an exact prompt for creating an image from Gemini, and now I want to write it here. Before that, I write generate image for it, and I definitely specify the size as well. Then I enter my own command and select this option because it's an agent that's doing this task for me. We need to wait a little while so it can do its own analysis, and then it will send us a message and create the video for us. If you're familiar with agents, you know that there's a page like this, and you can, for example, connect your own Instagram direct to Instagram itself or connect it to ChatGPT. And if a user sends you a message in direct, ChatGPT can analyze it there. We've already given a set of instructions to that ChatGPT, and it sends the response to the user right at that moment. It has a lot of uses. You can even create your own Telegram channel and, for example, connect that channel here to the agent or AI, and then every day posting will be done for you precisely. Here you can see that our image generation is progressing and we wait until it reaches 100%. Overall, if you're not familiar with AI agents, be sure to search for them on YouTube or Google, find those resources, and definitely make use of them. It created the images for us and is uploading them here one by one. Look, here are 4 images that you can download right from here, and they've also been placed here for us. If you click on the hand tool option, you can swipe the screen left and right or even up and down. Down here you can also zoom in or zoom out. I'm going to zoom out a bit and you can see these images. You can download whichever one you like best or even edit it. I'm selecting this select option and choosing this image. Here, a set of options appears on the right side of the image and we can use any of them. For example, the first option is AI editing, which does the editing work for us. You can use this brush here to select something and even use this eraser to, for example, remove something from the image. Dear friend, to support me, please leave 3 yellow hearts in the comments, and don't forget that when creating a video or photo with this site, you need to provide everything completely, accurately, and with details. Let's continue with the video. I'm selecting this part. Here it says, give me a command so I can create what you marked for you. For example, I say put a cat here. It takes a few moments for it to process the image for you. It generated an animal that looks like a cat and placed it on this column for me. Exactly like this, you click on the select option again and choose this same image. If you want to make this image Instagram sized or square, you select the second option, or if you don't want it to be square, let's keep it at the YouTube 16.9 size. But for example, we can choose larger dimensions from this section and this section. And if you want it to be Instagram story size, we select the 9:16 option, zoom out again, and then click the confirm button here. Now it has created exactly the same image for us in Instagram story size, and you can see how beautifully it did this. All the exact same details are here. Even the same cat is here, but its size has been adjusted to the story size for us, and it's an amazing free AI. Now if you want to enhance the quality of this image, just click on it and select this third option, AI UHD, and it will deliver your image in incredibly high quality. And now we can see how much it has improved the quality of this image compared to the previous one. The rest of the options work the same way. If you want to remove something from the image, select this option. If you want to have separate layers like in Photoshop, you'll use the layer skeleton option. If you want to separate a person from the background, click on the cutout option. You can even write text, crop the image, or if you click on add to chat, you can tell it what actions you want it to perform on the image. But if you want to create a video, you go to the chat section, this part, and write for it, generate a video. You definitely need to write that for it. You can also specify the size of the video, whether you want it to be for YouTube, Instagram, or any other size. You write your instruction here and then click the send button. It takes a few moments for it to analyze this text, and then it writes a message here saying that, now, if that's what you meant. Okay, I'll create, say, a 10-second clip for you, and let's go ahead and make this video. If you want to upload your own image or video, you use this option, import images, import videos, and this text section here, which we've already worked with. Our video is being created and it's 40% complete. Guys, it made the video for me, and the good thing about this site is that it does this for me completely free of charge without any watermark. If at any point you encounter an error message or a daily limit here for up to 24 hours, you can enter a new email account in this section, and you can even use virtual emails for it. Now let's go to this section and see what kind of video it has created for us. You can play it right here, and in this section we'll also turn on the sound and see that we specifically told it 10 seconds and it made exactly 10 seconds for us. Even if you write 30 seconds, it will create exactly 30 seconds for you, and that's amazing. Let me tell you here that in this command below, I just wrote for it to smile. If you carefully write for it to truly talk, it can even speak for you effectively.